God helps those who help themselves. In a quiet village nestled between lush green hills, there lived a hard-working farmer named Ramesh. He was known for his diligence, yet life often seemed unkind to him. His land, though fertile, yielded only enough crops to feed his family. Each day, he prayed earnestly, asking God to bless his fields and bring him prosperity. One year, the monsoon rains came late, and the village faced a severe drought. The once vibrant fields turned into cracked, barren earth. Many villagers left in search of better opportunities, but Ramesh stayed behind, holding on to his belief that God would help him. One day, while sitting under a withered tree, Ramesh's old friend Ravi visited him. Ravi had moved to the city years ago and prospered as a merchant. Seeing Ramesh's plight, Ravi said, "Why not leave this barren land and come to the city? There's nothing left for you here." Ramesh smiled faintly and replied, "This land has sustained my family for generations. I can't abandon it. God will guide me." That night, Ramesh reflected deeply. He realized that waiting for divine intervention alone would not change his situation. He decided to take action. Early the next morning, he walked to the nearest river, which was miles away, and began digging a trench to channel water to his fields. The task was arduous. Day after day, Ramesh toiled under the scorching sun. Villagers mocked him, saying, "Why waste your energy? The river is too far." But Ramesh ignored them, his determination fueled by a newfound belief that God helps those who help themselves. Weeks turned into months. Just when Ramesh began to doubt himself, dark clouds gathered in the sky. Rain poured heavily, filling the trench and flowing into his fields. The once barren land turned lush and green. Inspired by his efforts, other villagers joined him, extending the trench to irrigate their own fields. That harvest season, Ramesh's crops flourished. He shared his produce with the entire village, and his story became a source of inspiration. People began to see the value of hard work and determination. One evening, as Ramesh sat with Ravi under the same tree, Ravi remarked, "Your faith is remarkable, but your effort is what brought change." Ramesh nodded, a serene smile on his face. Faith and effort go hand in hand. God gave me the strength and wisdom to act. He helps us when we help ourselves. From that day forward, the village prospered, not just because of the rain, but because of a lesson learned through Ramesh's unwavering perseverance. His story reminded everyone that divine blessings often come to those who take the first step toward their dreams. And so, the village thrived, not just on faith, but on the belief that God truly helps those who help themselves.